Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 ratio applications. In that, exercise 6, question number 1. The question is given here: how long will it take for a sum of rupees 12,600 invested at 9% per annum become to 15,624? Okay, students, so this is the given question. Now I am going to write the data. What is the given data which is useful to find the how long ante long and how long ante you can find in this time period. Okay, now మనం ఏం find out చేయాలి? Time period. So the given data here, given that what is the principal? We know the principal is what, Nana? Principal is equals to rupees 12,600, and what is the amount, Nana? Amount is equals to, that is rupees 15,624. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is given what, Nana? That is 9%. Then time is equals to what? So this is the given question. The given principal is 12,600 and amount is equals to 15,624, and the rate of interest is given 9%, and the time period, how long will it take? And the time period is equals to what? We know what is the simple interest formula, Nana? SI. SI means what, Nana? That is simple interest. So simple interest is equals to, that is PTR, P into principal into time period into rate of interest, PTR by 100. Yeah, this is the formula. Now we want in this manaki time period kavali. We want what, Nana? Time period. So that's why I am going to write this formula like this. Time period. So if I want a timer, then we can write it as 100 into simple interest. Time period is equals to, that is 100 into simple interest by P into R. What is the formula, Nana? From this formula, this is the main formula. Simple interest is equals to PTR by 100. Now in this question I want T ante time period, then 100 into simple interest by P into R. So this is the required formula. So first of all I am going to find the simple interest. Simple interest ni మనం ఎలా find out చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ? When we know the principal, time period and rate of interest, we must use the formula PTR by 100. But when we know the amount and principal, then simple interest is equals to, the formula is amount minus principal. When we know the amount and principal, how to find the simple interest? That is amount minus principal. ఇక్కడ amount ఎంత? That is equals to 15,624 minus principal means, that is what, 12,600. So by doing actual cancellation, by doing subtraction, we get, మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ is equals to approximately we get 3,024. ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? 15,624 minus 12,600 అంటే 15,000 నుంచి 12,000 మైనస్ చేస్తే 3,000 వస్తుంది. 624 నుంచి 600 మైనస్ చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ 3,024. సో సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్, నాన్న? 3,024. Now I am going to substitute in this formula. Time is equals to 100 into simple interest means we get what, nana, that is 3024 by P. What is the principal? The principal is given 12,600 into R. Rate of interest is what, nana? 9. So now what I am doing, simply by cancellation, 2 zeros, 0 0 0 0, ఈ 2 zeros cancel. You try to see, nana. I am going to use 3 table. ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంది. You just add the digits. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 3 9. అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకి 9 టేబుల్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుంది అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ 3 టేబుల్ ఆల్సో అప్లై అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ డివిజిబిలిటీ రూల్ 9 ఆర్ డివిజిబిలిటీ రూల్ 3 అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ 9 టేబుల్. 9 1s are 9. యూ అబ్జర్వ్ క్లియర్లీ, నాన్న. 9 3s are 27. ఈ 30లో 27 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ 2. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. ఈ 30లో 27 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ 2 అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 32. అగైన్ 9 3s are 27. 32లో 27 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 5 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ 4 అంటే 54. ఓకేనా? 9 6s are 54. సో 9 1s are 9 336 are 3024. సో హియర్ అగైన్ ఇక్కడ 6 2 1 ఈ డిజిట్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 6 plus 2 plus 1 means we get 9. Then 6 plus 3 plus 3 means that is 12. ఇక్కడ ఈ నెంబర్స్ వచ్చేసి 3 టేబుల్లో ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతాయి. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ హియర్ 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. 126 ఎలా క్యాన్సిల్ చేశానన్నా? 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are means we get time is equals to 112 by 42. ఓకేనా? అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా ఇలా వచ్చింది. సో అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ క్యాన్సిలింగ్. ఇక్కడ 1s ప్లేస్లో 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నా. 221s are 42, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 అంటే 256 are 112. Then we get that is 56 by 21. Okay, so by doing cancellation, if 56 ని 21 తోటి డివిజన్ చేస్తున్నా, then what happens? See, 21 2s are 42. Minus చేస్తే we get 6 minus 2 means that is 4. 5 minus 4 means that is 1. Okay na students? So we get approximately 21 by 14. 2 ఇక్కడ రాసాను. 14 is the numerator and 21 is the denominator. Okay na students? Quotient is the integral part, remainder is the numerator and divisor is the denominator. So ఇక్కడ మనకి క్యాన్సిలేషన్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 అంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా, నాట్ ఓన్లీ అప్రాక్సిమేట్, we get exactly what is the time, nana? Time is equals to 2 years to 2 by 3 years. What is the time period, nana? The time period is equals to 2 by 3 years. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay students, now question number 2. This is very important question, nana. At what rate అంటే we don't know clearly. Rate percentage is equals to we don't know. Yes, at what rate a sum doubles itself 8 years 4 months? Clearly we don't know the principal also. Yes, principal కూడా తెలీదు, but the amount doubles when after 8 years 4 months. So I am writing the data here. Let the principal be x. Principal name అనుకుందాం మనం ఇక్కడ. We don't know. That's why that is what nana x. According to the given question, amount after 8 years, after 8 years 4 months, it becomes what nana doubles అన్నాడు. అంటే ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనేది ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న మనకి అమౌంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అయితే x, amount after 8 years 4 months it's doubled means what nana that is 2x. Now principal is x, amount is equals to what nana that is 2x. Then interest, simple interest is equals to, when we know the amount and principal, what is the formula? That is amount minus principal. Simple interest is equals to, what is the formula? Amount minus principal. Now simple interest is equals to amount ante that is 2x minus principal means that is what nana x. So 2x minus x means that is what x. So simple interest also we get x only. Now coming to the question, ikkada time period vachesi 8 years 4 months undi. Time is equals to what nana t ante time is equals to 8 years 4 months means that is 8 years 4 months అంటే మనం దాన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 8 years 4 months means then we can write it as 4/12 years, because of 1 year is equals to 12 months kada. So now 4 1s are 4 3s are, then time is equals to, we can write it as 8 1/3 years. Okay na students, ఈ 4 months ని ఎలా రాసాను నేను? 4/12 because of 1 year is equals to 12 months. So that's why 4 1s are 4 3s are. So time period is equals to 8 years 1/3 years. అంటే దీన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 8 1/3 years అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. దీన్ని మనం ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? we get 8 1/3 years అంటే 3 8s are 24. ఈ డినామినేటర్ని ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్తో ఇంటూ చేయండి. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, that is 25/3 years. So time period is equals to 8 1/3 years, that is equals to 25/3 years. Okay. Now coming to the question, we want rate. At what rate? Ante rate percentage is equals to what? Now see, what is the formula? The required formula, R, rate of interest is equals to 100 into simple interest. 100 into simple interest by P into T, ante principal into time period. So this is the rate of interest formula. Now R is equals to 100 into simple interest means we get that is x by principal ante that is we taken x only into time. Time means what nana? That is 25/3. Okay. Now simply ikkada x cancel అయిపోతుంది. x cancel, then R is equals to 100 into ఈ 25/3 అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్ అంటే ఉల్టా అయిపోతే ఇట్ ఈస్ 3/25. ఈ 25/3 రెసిప్రోకల్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న? అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఉల్టా. 25/3 కాస్త 3/25 అవుతుంది. సో 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. Then rate of interest, R is equals to 4 into 3, that is what nana? 12. So rate of interest, that is 12%. Okay na students? So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.